Do you know that the Claude API can be easily integrated into your mobile and web app? If not, I will show you how to do this. I will use the Appery mobile platform because it allows you to create mobile and web applications quickly and for free. Create an app from a blank template. We can run a test immediately after app creation to see how an empty app will look. The app has only one screen, which we will update later. To add integration with Claude, I will add the Claude plugin. The plugin has a Claude screen with the ability to send a text request or a text request with an image. I will add a button component and specify that after pressing the button, we need to navigate to the Claude screen. Test again. Press the Claude button, provide a prompt, and we get a warning that the API key is not specified. I already have the key, and to specify it, open the storage section and paste it. Repeating the test, and now we get the expected response. To test how Claude works with images, press the Take Photo button. There is an option to select a camera if you have more than one. Our prompt will be, "What is in the photo?" Claude successfully processes the image. Return to the app to review how the application works. On the storage screen, we can specify the API key, model, and host. On the Claude screen, we see that after pressing the Take Photo button, the Take Photo function is invoked, which has simple code. When the Appery application is running as a mobile app, the native camera will be used. When running as a web app, we show a camera modal screen and use the browser API to take the photo. After pressing the Claude button, we invoke the corresponding function, which calls the global Claude request function and passes the prompt and image. The code for this function can be found in the Functions section. Here, we check that the API key is specified, create the Claude request body, and invoke the API. As you can see, the integration process is really easy, and you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. That is all for this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel.